activity has been paused automatically.
Okay, I wanted to get a video of me going across the train trestle bridge, because on the T3, when I go across this, it would slow it way down. It would do a lot of lean back because of the bumping. So on the NineBot today, and here we go. Pretty sure I could go as fast as on regular ground, except that my body won't handle it. It's kind of bumpy. Actually, it's a lot bumpy. But it doesn't do any lean back on this one like it does on the T3, which is cool. Bumpy, bumpy, bump. Yeah. Do this for very long and your legs will be jello. I just rode about 4 miles, so my legs are already kind of iffy.